This is the Universal Echo Mag Carrier. Its adjustability allows for the fitment of a wide, diverse selection of magazines, all thanks to the innovative mag retention device. With a 1/8 Allen, each turn of the MRD wedges your magazine of choice into the carrier, keeping it completely secure. Adjust the retention to your liking and carry with confidence. The MRD's raised ramp aids in swift, easy reholstering and can even be reoriented to account for heavily tapered magazines. The Echo Mag Carrier is ambidextrous, since the Tolster quick clip can be switched from side to side. And thanks to 25 degrees of adjustable cant in either direction, you can carry and conceal however you choose. Everything is held in place with blackened stainless steel hardware and self-locking screws. The Echo Mag Carrier is available in a variety of colors, in both single and double stack variations, for a number of calibers, and compatible with virtually every magazine. And pair your Universal Echo Mag Carrier with a profile holster. The Tolster Universal Echo Mag Carrier.